the same yesterday, today, and forever. We see the manifestation of His power as the prayer line proceeds. Continue to connect with us.
Now it's my turn now to operate. Because those who break you this thing, it's a foolish demon. They just want to deceive you.
Okay.
Now it's my time to give you now assurance. Because when they break this, they think that they will lose your faith. Now your faith is even more. When I'm doing this, you feel like
It's just like the bones are.
Huh?
I don't know how to explain it.
I'm repairing it to shame this foolish demon. Because this is the time. It's all about spiritual power. Are you with me?
Yes.
I know these are spirits. They did that.
Yes.
Because the way you fall, you went just like that. But there was a foolish demon who come and do crack. You want to leave us? He said, you want to leave her? He just going to crack. He did it. But now it's my time to assume. That's why you feel that. You see, for you to know we are living, you see, it's very painful. Very, very painful. Why? Because now the power of God now is operating inside her. She's got faith. She's 10. Let me go to church. You bring her, let's go to church. Because they want to deceive her. You want to go to that church, will deceive you. The same way they did for a person who had conviction. When Jesus appeared, that demon in the conviction break that boy down to start rolling so that they can be wounded. Some demon in the family, they don't want to go like that. They just want, they say, hey, this one is running from us. This one is running from us. You see that one also. Bring that one here. It's the same spirit that attacked that one. When we were praying here, she also fell by herself. I was in the office. Broken. This one. Because demon, they want to do that. Because they want to disappoint you so that you don't go in the way of God. But it's only the way of God that is a living way. So, come on. I'm praying for you. Father, this is the time that you release your daughter from any bondage.
Continue to watch the screen as this woman is being delivered
Leave this hand in the mighty name of Jesus Christ.
from my broken hand. Jesus came to set us free. All bondages are being broken in Jesus' name.
Come out of this hand in the mighty name of Jesus Christ. Lord Jesus Christ. Through your wounds.
Viewers, continue to watch. If you are in the same situation, tap on the anointing and receive.
Choose an heart. God, in the mighty name of Jesus Christ. In the mighty name of Jesus Christ.
Peuple de Dieu, regardez cette magnifique délivrance. Cette femme qui a eu une attaque spirituelle, qui était tombée, s'est brisé le bras. Et voilà maintenant, elle est sous l'influence du Saint-Esprit. Vous la voyez pleurer.
Continue to watch your screen.
You are the Lord of glory.
Jesus never said goodbye to his people. He came to set us free. Continue to connect with us. If you are in the same situation, tap on the anointing viewers.
Hey, come on. Jesus Christ. Thank you, Lord. And I thank you for your miracle signs and wonders.
Miracles, thank you, Lord.
So I- Even the doctor, they will be surprised. Look at that.
Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Lord.
Salute you. Let me tell you, you just need God. If I never do this, how do you feel your hand now? My sister? How do you feel?
I just feel numb now.
You feel the hand is like numb.
Numb, yes.
It's done. They did it last time. It's for us to do it now.
Thank you, Jesus.